Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Yakult Probiotic drink. Yakult is a delicious fermented milk drink packed with billions of unique Lactobacillus paracasei shirota bacteria. To enjoy its benefits, simply drink one small bottle every day. It's a simple and effective way to support your digestive health and maintain a balanced gut flora. Make it a consistent part of your daily routine for the best results. You can enjoy your Yakult at any time that suits you best, whether it's with a meal or on its own. For optimal freshness and to keep the live bacteria active, always store your Yakult in the refrigerator. The ideal temperature range is between 0 and 10 degrees Celsius. Remember, freezing Yakult can unfortunately damage the beneficial bacteria, so please avoid it. Yakult is a wonderful addition for nearly everyone, from young children to adults. Each small bottle delivers a powerful punch, containing at least 6.5 billion of our unique Lactobacillus paracasei shirota bacteria. These friendly probiotics work diligently to help maintain a healthy balance within your digestive system, contributing to overall well-being. It's a simple step towards a happier gut. For the best experience, give your Yakult bottle a gentle shake before you open it. This ensures the contents are well mixed. Consistency is key, so try to make drinking Yakult a regular part of your daily routine to enjoy its ongoing benefits. While Yakult is generally safe, if you have any specific health conditions or concerns, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.